Hello guys, today we are fighting Parrot from Obstacle Ascent Simulator. Let's start the fight. Okay, I will be using mace for the first and second time. I'm using mace. Don't know much. Oh, not the first thing. I've practiced many times. Shit. This was really fast because I'm a nice player. Thank you.